Okay, so good day. Hello, everyone. And we're going to discuss this Drill Pro I bought at Banggood.com. So, I received the item. It was placed inside this cellophane. Okay, so when I received the item, it was placed, the box is put inside. And then, like this, no, it was not, no bubble wrap or no additional box for its protection. But it's, for me, it's fine because the item was not damaged or anything. So maganda naman yung pagkaano niya. So when I received the item, it has no defects or anything that will affect the performance of the equipment or the tools. But my concern is that the equipment I bought was not working. So I hope, to the seller, I hope will do the necessary actions. I was encouraged to buy this one because I've been viewing Motofil, and one of his blogs discussed about this impact range, saying it was okay with its price. I bought this one at around 2.8. So ma'am, sir, I hope you will watch this video and do the necessary actions, please, because sayang naman, I bought something I was expecting to use, but when I received the item, it's not functioning. Okay, so when we're going to assemble this is the battery and this is the tools. This battery, going to assemble this. Okay, so as you can see, it's not working. Sa vlog, sa reviews ng mga gumamit nito, the reviews was they're going just to uh, assemble it like this, and it's already working. So they also mentioned that they charge first the battery. So what I did, maybe the battery was drained. That was my first thought. But when I charged the battery for at least an hour, and another an hour again to end, para mawala yung doubt ko, to end, so that I have no doubt that the battery was drained, but it's not working. I received the item around 9 o'clock in the morning, and today is already around 6 o'clock in the evening. So meron na siyang I have time to charge the battery, but until now it's not working. So katulad just like the other vloggers, it has a free impact socket, 22 mm, the charger, and manual. So I was with the seller, I would like to show this one, that according to the manual, when you're going to charge the battery, it should turn red. Wait, I will just remove this one. Okay, so according to the manual, when you're going to charge the battery, at first, when you're going to plug the battery charger off. Slowly lang, slowly. It will turn green, meaning the charger is functioning. But when you're going to charge the battery, it should turn red. So I'll show you. So this is the indicator, and it's still green. So my suspect is that the battery is damaged or destroyed. So I don't know. I hope the seller will see this one, kasi ito naman yung requirement nila if you're going to request for a return or replace an item that you bought at Banggood.com. You're going to attach a video. So yun lang naman, hindi lang siya, it's not functioning. I don't know what's wrong. So I show you again, and you're going to assemble. See, the battery is good, walang damage, physical damage or anything. It's fine, it's good. And the tools, so it's okay naman sa physical appearance, it's fine. Okay, so one last time we're going to assemble it. Yan. And show you if it's not okay, it's still not working, and I don't know why. So to the seller, please sir, ma'am, kindly replace the item. And to others, if meron mang makakapanood dito, I don't know, I'm not saying that the product is bad or anything. Maybe yung nabili ko lang is a factory defect, or I don't know. So hopefully sa inyo hindi mangyari sa inyo. Pero first time ko kasing bumili, it's my first time to buy at Banggood.com, and my experience is very painful and sad. Nakakalungkot. So that's all, and see you guys around. God bless.